Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Last puzzle in the puzzle page of yesterday's newspaper, the Saturday, May the 13th, 2023 is today. Actually, Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. And we have a binary puzzle here. Binary puzzle number 6433. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one. Oh, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Between two ones comes an O. And no, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Alright, here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place number 5, the 5th O there, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Alright. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. That box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones then. Then double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also the rest are ones, and between the ones comes an O. Finished in 5 minutes. Well, again 5 minutes. Yesterday also 5 minutes. We solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the other 3 puzzles in the additional of the Friday edition. And then in the evening, I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.